Runtime licensed machine kits can now be easily downloaded from PostHub as Smart Machine Kit solutions. Open the PostHub website directly or open it by clicking Browse Online for a Post Processor from the Post Process dialog. The new user interface helps you to easily determine which kits are Smart Machine Kit solutions and which licenses you will need. The Information button displays a window explaining each license. Smart Machine Kit solutions are license controlled based on functionality and capabilities. Smart Machine Kit solution licenses are available for 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis and complex, and additive machines. Here you can see licenses are filtered so that only the Smart Machine Kit solutions licenses are displayed.